Hey guys, Dr. Luke Stringer here, back at Advanced Health Chiropractic down in South Loop of Chicago. Today, we're going to be adjusting Beamie's spine, full spine adjustment. We're going to be adjusting Beamie's cervical spine, her neck, her thoracic spine, upper back, and then her lumbar spine, her lower back. Obviously, before we perform any adjustment, Beamie's done a health consultation, an orthopedic examination, she's had x-rays taken. We know exactly what we are working with. So this adjustment is specific for Beamie, her spine and her complaints. So here we go.
Put your tongue out of the way, cheeks out, put your teeth together, you open.
Good. So being hands behind you, yeah, come in here, hands together, squeeze your elbows, chin in. Nice job, Beamie. And then let's do your lower back. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, Beamie's just got adjusted, the power is switched on. She's feeling good, she's functioning good. If you're suffering with any form of pain, spine adjustments can get it done for you. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video.